Elbow slash is strikes by the elbow when the opponent is within a very close distance. It is dangerous and sharp form of attack. It is powerful from flexing of elbow to sharp ankle and contracting each muscle. Then throw out with the shoulder swing forward and hip is twisted. The technique is a front attack and the target is the opponent face. It can cause serious injury to the opponent or a knockout. Your elbow slash. Raise your elbow to the face level. Twist the shoulder so that your elbow moves forward. Your hand should be pointed towards your body by lowering your elbow. Step back slightly. Remember to keep the other guard up. The main force for this move comes from the shoulder. Twist your hip to support your shoulder. This will allow you to perform the most effective and powerful elbow. You can use any of your elbows depending on which one you work best for you. Next, let's look at how we can use an elbow with the opponent. When the opponent throws a straight punch or a swinging punch at you, raise your arms to block the punch and immediately perform an elbow. In the case, when opponent get up, close without any guard, swiftly throw an elbow. It's very important to look out for this opportunity. Don't be afraid of the pain. The aim is any area of the opponent face.